Welcome to elDoc. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of adjusting document retention settings in elDoc. With elDoc, you can effortlessly manage the duration for which you want to retain documents in the system. To adjust document retention settings, access the Administration menu, then click on Form Designer. Choose the relevant document type for which you want to set a specific retention period. Then, move to the Settings tab and locate the retention settings. You can choose to keep this particular type of document in the system indefinitely, or you can configure elDoc to either block or delete these documents from the system after a specified period. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will set a retention period of 2 years for this specific document type. After making the necessary adjustments, make sure to save the changes. Let's proceed to review the modifications we've just applied. You can review all document forms created in elDoc via the Forms Designer menu, including the form we've just worked on. You'll notice that the retention period for it has been updated to 2 years. This means that all documents of this type, particularly NDA agreements, will be automatically and permanently deleted from elDoc. Take elDoc for a test drive today, absolutely free. See firsthand how it can simplify your document retention and management processes.